Relationships are formed between people, but if you end up dealing with a snake under the guise of a relationship, end it immediately. Don't think about how long or deep the connection was. Work so hard to achieve your goal that even fate says, "Take it, my child, it is your right." Even if you are a king, still stand up out of respect for your father. If you do good to someone and receive evil in return, understand that your goodness has been accepted. When you do good for someone, you receive good in return. It may take time, but it will surely come, and this is the law of nature. Wealth and true love are free in childhood, earned in youth, and begged for in old age. Do not act in such a way during your rise that no one cares about you during your fall. Always welcome small joys, for behind them lies a flood of love. Understanding is better than knowing. There are many around you who know you, but very few who truly understand you. The Prophet Muhammad said, "The first thing that destroyed the children of Israel was that the wife of a poor man would spend as much on her clothes as the wife of a rich man." The direction your solitude inclines you toward is the true reflection of your inner self. Never think that a lonely person is truly alone, for with the one who remains alone, Allah Almighty is always present. Point out my mistakes to me, not to others, because it is I who must correct my mistakes. Those who consider others unworthy are, in reality, unworthy themselves.